Hey everybody, it's Bruce here with Traveling with Bruce. I've got an update on the Norwegian Epic. The ship has lost power from two of her engines and she was going at 11 knots an hour to San Juan, Puerto Rico for emergency repairs. She was supposed to be in Tortola today, St. Thomas tomorrow. Well, she came into San Juan this afternoon, but oh boy, because of the reduced handling with the engine problems, they kind of crashed into the dock. Here we go. They caused some damage here, and the ship, although it is in San Juan, they're now going to have to repair some scrape marks on the side of her and inspect for damage there. The two engines have to be repaired by tomorrow. Passengers have been told they can get off the ship today and be back on the ship by tomorrow afternoon before she leaves at the scheduled time of 5 in the afternoon. Passengers have been offered a 50% credit against a future cruise based on what they paid on this cruise. No other offers have been made in compensation for losing the two ports and coming here instead. If they can get out of here tomorrow at 5, they will then get to Great Stirrup Key the next day, which was their next scheduled stop, and then a day at sea and back to Port Canaveral by the 16th of February, this being the 12th. We'll follow the story and see if they can get this done, but the woes continue for the Norwegian Epic. Join me Monday to Friday, 5 o'clock Eastern, Saturdays at 2 Eastern. We talk cruise ships 6 days a week. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification icon, and I'll keep you posted on the latest. Talk to you later, everybody.